It's a big day today. It's a Monday. We have so much going on. Obviously, we have 4 of these Carlex G-Wagons in production. 2 of the interiors just showed up. The one for the rose, the pink rose, and the logo, which is a new paint that we are actually in the process of painting the car. So all this stuff's here. So the process, the way it goes, interiors are being installed. All the bumpers and fenders have to be painted and installed. So while they're doing the interior, we're gonna get that done. So the rose will be done here. We're gonna go ahead and show that in our next show, which is Valentine's Day at the Fountain Hills, Concourse and Hills. So hopefully you guys can come out and look at the car in person. The paint job is completely done. We're in the process of, Ryan is just installing the dash so the car can be mobile. And we are wet sanding and buffing the car. This car should look amazing. My pet project, 812 GTS, any V12 cars, we love V12 cars. Like any Aventadors, 812s, F12s, anything with a V12, count us into to modify and make big. So this car is gonna be unreal. I think if I have what I have in my mind, be able to complete it, this car will be a one-of-one car with full wide out style, even the headlights, the interior, the wheels are gonna be unreal from MV4. The car has been painted, the whole thing was carbon. We just left the little windows in carbon, so little tiny accents of carbon here and there you're gonna see. Other than that, we're in the assembly stages right now. The cars, once we do the fitting outside in our body shop, the car gets completely detailed, come inside, goes on jack stands and get assembly done here. Another project that we're working on, one of our dear client out of Canada, he purchased this beautiful spec'd out F8 from one of actually our colleagues. This car is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. And now we're doing the full Zakoi kit. Most of the part is installed. We just have the rear spoiler to install. It's already lowered. We're waiting for MV4 to send us the wheels, which they should be shipped out today. And this car should be on the ground, ready to go. We already did the full system and exhaust and tune on it, dynoed it. The car is unreal, but the kit is super clean, Front lip, the attachment for the front bumper, hood attachment, side skirt. So this car was highly spec car. Carbon wheels, full Alcantara interior. I mean, this car was as spec as you're gonna be able to get a car. 3-layer paint, which is a $30,000 option. With the little touches that we did, the customer did not wanna go too aggressive with this car, just some add-on, which you can always go backward if you decided. He also bought our old build. This is a car we built and we end up buying it back from a customer and gave it to him. So he has 2 F8s going to Canada. You guys gonna see him, whoever lives in Canada, you guys gonna see these cars are coming in. We have some other projects that we're doing. 488, we're doing a full interior on this car. We're doing some Zakoi add-on, lowering it and doing basically same thing with that car, but on this car, but we're doing the interior. The SF9 is here for the rear carbon rear spoiler. One of our old builds, man. I built this car, got 2016 SEMA, 2017 SEMA. It was a full Mansouri car. Get sold, get traded, and somehow end up with us
Ended
again.
up back here.
Back here. Is missing the front lip, which we just ordered from Mansouri. Other than that, the car is amazing. We painted this car with Miami blue, I think Mexico blue. That's what they call it. Mexico blue. So we completely changed, did the color change on this. This was one of my original builds. Still looks good. It's going to be up for sale here pretty soon once the front lip comes in. The car is going to get a full PPF because the last person didn't PPF the car and the car ended up having some imperfection in the paint, so we redid the whole entire paint. Now it's a brand new build again. The car is stunning, wide body, one-of-one. There's nobody else has this car. Nobody else, literally. He's the only Mansouri GTS in the country. Minimal interior work just to bring the blue, so all the blue we added to the car, so the car looks good. Other than that, pretty much the update for our start of the week. We'll give you another update on maybe Thursday or Friday to show you how far we got on the Carlex. It's gonna look good. And we have several customers that are waiting for this car to be done, and all of our cars. So if you're interested in Carlex, let us know. We can spec any color for you. There's a link to Carlex on our website, creativebespoke.com. You see it says Carlex car. You can go and spec out your car. It takes about 60 days for us to produce a car for you.
I am here with our Ferrari 812 GTS build that we were doing. This one is going to be featuring the Zakoi wide body package. If you guys have not watched our recent video, let me kind of break down what this build is going to look like, all the design details, everything that we plan to be doing to this car and the stage that it's currently in. We have our first pieces coming out of the paint booth here. This is the rear section of the bumper. This is painted white with the carbon flares here in the middle exposed. And if you're unfamiliar, this car is going to be a complete triple white theme. Everything, and I mean absolutely everything on this Ferrari 812 GTS is going to be in white. The front lip that is carbon is going to be painted white. All of the flares on the sides of the car are going to be painted white. The side skirts are going to be painted white. Even the mesh across the front bumper is going to be white. Everything about this car, including the interior, is going to be white with a little bit of red in there. The calipers are currently red. These are going to stay red. They're not going to be white, just to contrast the interior a little bit. We're also thinking about doing some type of vinyl stripe down the middle of the car to also contrast the interior of this car. In front of me here, I have majority of the body panels that we're going to be reinstalling on this 812 GTS. If we take a closer look at this over fender here, this is, for example, the passenger side over fender. The entirety of this is painted white, but we do have the back edges of these louvers here exposed, so you can see that carbon fiber through the white. Obviously, doing a white color with keeping that black carbon exposed, you're going to see a really cool contrast in between all of that. The goal is to have subtle hints, but obviously have a loud car at the exact same time. When you have this loud white color, it looks really good on edges, and also having the black carbon hinted throughout the car is going to make this a very unique and stunning build. We will also be fitting this Ferrari 812 GTS with a exhaust system. We have the catback and the X-pipe in, but we are not going to be doing the full system, but we do have the full system available. Also tuning, so if you're interested in this car and you end up buying this car, you can get that after you buy it. We do have it available. Taking a look into the interior, there currently is no interior. Right now, everything is taken outside of this car, and Javi is currently working on the rest of the interior. Majority of it already is done, and it looks phenomenal. I can't wait to show it off to you guys. We do have some other small things that Javi is still working on, but the major things that we are missing as of right now, today's date, is the carbon bucket seats as well as the door cards. To give you a better understanding of what that interior on this Ferrari 812 is going to look like, I do have the steering wheel with me right now. This interior is going to be white and red leather themed, with obviously red stitching to accent the white. This steering wheel is absolutely stunning. You can see how we have red on the outside, white on the inside with red stitching. And as well as my personal favorite thing we do on all of our interiors is our seat belts. You can see that we went with a red seat belt with white lettering. This is going to look amazing across the white leather carbon bucket seats. I can't wait to see this thing completed. And if you want to see this car in person, obviously you'll see it here online shortly, but if you want to see this car in person, we are taking this Ferrari 812 to Concours in the Hills this Valentine's Day, February 14th. This car and another very special car that is in this video, I won't tell you which one it is, but we will be taking at least 2 cars to that show. So if you want to see this car and another crazy Creative Bespoke car, make sure you're there. Concours in the Hills. This is in Fountain Hills, Arizona. This car and one other special car will be there, and I hope to see you guys there as well. Let's see what this looks like.
I don't know, I'm kind of digging it.
It actually does look really good.
Yeah, it's definitely something different.
And really, I should have painted this carbon, just leave this little winglet. What do you think, bro? We paint the carbon and leave the winglets white? We're gonna have to paint it, bro.
All white?
Yeah, even though it's carbon, I don't want to paint it white, but like leave a little bit of carbon, because we only left those on that. So I was thinking maybe leave these winglets white or this little lip on top white.
So if we paint it, so like if we went across this whole lip white, it would just leave this face carbon.
That's not, that the little thing doesn't worth the juice of going through the removing it and stuff. I mean, we should paint this white. I know it looks good with the white grill.
Carbon black, then white.
But I just think that's way too much black in the front now.
You can really see that we're doing a complete whiteout theme. Even the black OEM diffuser we painted white. The other middle piece of the diffuser over here is painted white as well. The side skirt fenders, the rear spoiler, everything on this car is going to be white. We got a very good look of what the interior is going to look like. Obviously, it is stripped as of right now. Now that every single piece of the exterior and majority of the interior is completed, the guys are going to spend some time going and reinstalling everything back onto this Ferrari 812 GTS. This car has to be done completed by Valentine's Day or the day before, because this car is going to be going to Concourse in the Hills. I mentioned that earlier in the video, but if you guys want to see this car and some of the other crazy cool cars that we're going to be bringing to Concourse in the Hills, make sure you are there. This beautiful Ferrari 812 GTS completed with the Zakoi carbon wide body package, our signature interior, a crazy set of MV forged deep dish wheels. This car is going to be completed. This car is going to be there, and I hope to also see the rest of you guys watching this there as well.